24. Oh, did they pay for it? No, they got WeatherTech. They don't have the original mats. Doesn't tell me what it is. What do I do? What do I do? Anyway, Minecraft vehicle. It is the Santa Fe. Why do I call it Minecraft? I mean, don't have to say it. This puppy, no tools required. Another one on the other side. Where are you, puppy? So you have to get these guys out and turn them while it's up in there. So you can't put them back in. You see? You got to turn them out. You see? Tools. Turn. Pop this puppy out. Now with more tools, you squeeze these guys. This puppy just slides in. And you even got a light. Look at this. So you could do this at nighttime. You see that? So we're gonna pop this puppy out, and this puppy should be brand spanky new, where we shouldn't have to replace anything. Oh look, we got a leaf. Bye. See that? And this is a DF1000 something or other. That's the only part number I see, so that's what it is. So we're going to put it right back. I think it's that one actually. Push the new one back in, and airflow, make sure it's downward. Make sure this is driver's side first, and latches in there, you see, and push it closed, and push this back up. Now what would be easier is push this back in, so this will hold it in place while you push these back in. So, like it, don't like it, see, you gotta go back up and then put it in. Nope, need two hands. Sorry. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.